everybody, I am Johanna Varner. I am a pika biologist and I've been a scientific advisor with the Colorado Pika Project for the last few years. I'm really excited today to give you a video tour of how to use Pika Patrol as a tool for observing and reporting your observations of pikas. Let's take a look.
When you first open the app, you'll see a splash screen animation of our partners. All of these amazing organizations help support the development of the app, but if you ever want to skip this screen, just click the X in the top right. If it's your first time using the app, you'll need to make an account. Click the account icon in the top right, then click register. You can fill out your information and click register to start using the app. If you forget your password, email us at staff@pikapartners.org and we can retrieve it. The first screen you'll see when you open the app has a list of shared observations and your own observations. If this is your first time using the app, your observations will be empty, and that's fine. Let's start by making a pika observation. To do this, click the plus button at the bottom of the screen. If you want to use the app's geolocating features, you'll have to enable location tracking, but don't worry, the only locations we'll ever see are the ones that are associated with your pika observations. The observation form is initially empty. If you're in the field, click the small bullseye logo in the top left of the form. The app will automatically fill in your location from your phone's GPS, but if you're filling out the form later from home, you can just type the coordinates that you want to share. Next, give your observation and the site a name. This is the header that will be visible to others in the shared observations part of the app. We recommend using a site name that others will recognize, like a trail or the mountain that you're on. Next, fill out the form to tell us about what you found, your search effort, the talus patch where you saw pikas, the weather, and any other species that you may have seen. You can attach a photo from your photo library by clicking the image button on the left. Or if you'd like to take a photo in the app, just click the camera. After allowing the app permission to access your camera, you can take a picture, crop and rotate it, and then save your image to the observation by clicking Done. If the pikas are calling, we'd love to hear them. To attach a recording, click the microphone button. Name your sound file, then hit the microphone again to record sound. To submit your observation, click the Save button on the top right. If you're offline, the app will save the observation locally and submit it to the database when you get back into service. If you have a connection, the Save button will upload your observation to the server and you'll see it under Your Observations in the home screen. Take a look at the sidebar by clicking the three lines in the top left. Here you'll see your name and profile as well as some useful links. The first four buttons will take you to our partners' websites if you want to learn more about the great folks who helped bring you this app. The last button will take you to training materials if you need a refresher for identifying pikas by sight, sound, or indirect sign like hay piles or scat. When you're done with the training materials, you can just click the arrow at the top left and you'll return home. You can also access these training materials while making an observation by clicking the question mark in the top right.
I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Pika Patrol. We hope that you'll find this to be a useful tool for recording observations of pikas wherever you are.